Hello viewers, this is Levabuhay again, your information TV. Today I will be talking about growing an apple tree from seeds. So first I will show you how to take out seeds from an apple. I usually use pink lady apple, but anyway, whatever apple you have, it will work. So this is already an apple that I had eaten, and you can save it. If you don't want to do it immediately, you can just save it. And so you will try to take the seeds from this apple. The reason why I use pink lady is like it's the kind of apples where if you buy it, there are here in Sweden, it's the most expensive, the highest price of all the apples, but it's because you can store it quite long, and then it is always crispy. Even if you have it for a long time in your cupboard, this kind of apple, pink lady apples, are retaining their crispiness. So now I have taken the seeds. It's not actually a lot of seeds in one apple, but this one I got 4 seeds from it. So as you see, I have 4 seeds from this apple. And after that, what you do is you take a kitchen towel or a kitchen paper or whatever paper. If you have a toilet paper or some kind of paper that is soft, if you don't have it, you can also use a newspaper or something. And then what you do is you dip it in water and make it moist. Just press it to take out the water, because what you want is just to have your you just want your apple or your paper to be moist. So now you have it there. So what you will do is you just put your seeds, I don't know if you see it, you just put your seeds there on the paper. Some of the seeds now went down. You put the seeds on the paper, your moist paper, and you fold it, fold like that, and that way, and that way. And after that, be sure you have your plastic. If you want, you can actually put, this is only like an ordinary plastic. I usually use it. This is plastic for freezing food or something. Whatever plastic will do, because it's only a way of keeping your seeds in this moist paper, keeping it moist, that it will never dry. So you wrap it, and you can actually also label it. You can put the date and the name of the seeds, and you do like that. Just to fold them is enough. And after that, what will you do with this? Of course, you put it somewhere else where it's warm. If you have a sunlight near your windows, that is perfect. I usually put my seeds to germinate near the window because it's warm there. If it's cold times, it can take time to make it grow, but if it's warm time like summertime, it can take only like a week or 2. And after a week or 2, it depends upon the temperature inside, you will end up having this. They will grow like that. So as you see, I only have here 4 of them that really grows quite big. The others are still, you know, starting to sprout. So the others who didn't grow yet, you let it be, because normally they sprout on a different time. So as you see, they are starting, the others are starting to sprout, the others are already growing. So what will I do with this one? What I do with this is I pick them up. I have here a small pot with soil, and of course, as what I told you, one of my tips since before is like when you start to be planting, germinating, propagating, start with small flower pots or planting pots. Why? Because you don't need to have a very big pot with a lot of soil in it if you are just starting to plant small plants or flowers or whatever. So what you do is you say, so now I will be transferring. You have to take them carefully, very careful. So as you see, it looks like this. Amazing, right? And then after that, you have to plant it on your prepared pot with soil. I already wet my soil here. I normally do like that when I plant, because when the plant is already there, I don't want to disturb the plant and be watering, and they will be moved a lot, and I don't want to do it. So now we have an apple tree on the way to grow. I will tell you, it depends upon the weather. If you have a warmer weather, now it's summer in Sweden because it's the month of July, and we have summer, we have a warm weather until August. So I will let this grow only outside. But please, if you just transfer it, don't put it on direct sunlight. They will die. Hide them somewhere else, or you can put them indoor. You can put them somewhere in your kitchen, near the window or wherever, that they don't get direct sunlight, because if they get direct sunlight, they will be shocked and they will die. So I will make another one. This is the other one here, that I will also transfer. So I have to be very careful. So as you see, it looks like that. So you have still the seed there, and then this one is really growing. So now I will take my other pot, put it there, and then make a small hole on it. I think I need a little bit of water, so it will be moist there, like that. So now I will transfer it. I have to do like that. It's not so easy to make your video by your own, and you have to adjust like that. So mind you, I started all my apple trees. If you watch all my apples bearing fruits, the others are not yet bearing fruits, which I grafted, I actually started like this. Believe it or not, I started like this, and after a year, even half a year, this will grow around like 5 centimeters to 10 centimeters. But then when the weather, I told you, when the weather is very good, it's warm, they like it, they will grow so fast. So first, maybe I can have it inside the house, or I can have it outside, but I have to hide it somewhere else where if it will rain, it will not be under the rain. When the rain is very strong, then it will kill your plant, because they are still very delicate and very small. And so you have it like this, and after a week or after a month, this will really grow. They will grow fast, as what I told you. It depends upon the temperature where you planted them. And after that, this one is actually already a year. And this is even already grafted. The reason why it's just so small, even if it's already a year, it's because I have it in a small container. If I planted it immediately in a big container, then it grows already very big. But sometimes, as what I told you before, I want to have small apple trees. And so you plant and plant and plant. And then sometimes you even forget. You had already planted a lot of them. But this one is already grafted. So what I told you from this, if you don't want to graft it, you can maybe have an apple fruits for like 6 to 10 years. But if you do grafting, you do like this, and as you see the colors there, it's this one. So you see it that I had grafted it. It means you can already have an apple tree for only like 2-3 years, and they are just small trees, but you already have fruits in them. So I had already shown you before this apple tree I have here that is already bearing fruits, and it's only a 3-year-old apple tree. So I think that's all for now. I will be continuing to plant the 2 other trees, apple tree from growing from seeds here, and the rest that didn't grow yet, I let them be, and they will be growing. So some of them are really, they don't grow at the same time, all of them, but you have to after 2 weeks you have to check it, and if you see that some of them are already growing like that, then take them out and take them out from the paper very carefully, and and transfer them in a container, and then let them grow. But please don't expose them to sun, don't expose them under the rain, because it will kill them. Put them somewhere where there's a roof. So the safest way, put them somewhere else in your house, somewhere there you always have a place in your house and near your window, and you put them. So I think that's all for today. If you have some questions, just ask in the comment section. And if you like this video, please like it and share it, because I actually learned this thing also from a video shared by a lot of people. So let's all be sharing our videos, and especially to our friends, because I know there's a lot of you there who are interested in growing trees, growing plants from seeds or cuttings or whatever. Thank you so much for watching. This is Levabuhay saying bye bye.